Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Today, I've got something super exciting for you. A 5-ingredient banana pudding that'll knock your socks off. If you're new here, don't forget to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our weekly delicious, quick and easy recipes. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on all the tasty treats we have in store. Your support means the world to me. It keeps me motivated to bring you more delightful recipes. All right, let's dive right in. I promise this recipe is as easy as it is delicious. Today we're making a banana pudding that's not only quick but also incredibly tasty. And the best part? You can whip it up in just 3 minutes. So let's get started. Yes, you heard that right. Just 3 minutes. Perfect for those times when you need a quick dessert fix or have unexpected guests. First, here's what you'll need. 3 ripe bananas. Make sure they're nice and ripe for the best flavor. 1 box of instant vanilla pudding mix. This is going to be our base and give that creamy texture we all love. 2 cups of cold milk. The colder, the better, as it helps the pudding set quickly. 1 cup of whipped cream. You can use store-bought or make your own if you prefer. And some vanilla wafers. These add a delightful crunch to our pudding, got it? Awesome. Now let's put it all together. This is where the fun begins. Step 1. Grab a bowl and peel those bananas. Make sure to get every bit of that delicious fruit. Slice them up nice and thin. We want them to be bite-sized and ready to go. Arrange the slices neatly so they're easy to layer later on. Next, in a separate mixing bowl, pour in your instant vanilla pudding mix. This is going to be the creamy heart of our dessert. Add the cold milk and whisk it together for about 2 minutes until it's nice and smooth. Easy peasy, right? Make sure there are no lumps. Now fold in the whipped cream gently. This step is crucial for that light and airy texture. We want to keep it light and fluffy. This is where the magic happens. It makes the pudding so creamy and delicious. Give it a taste if you like. It's already delicious at this stage. All right, time to assemble. In a serving dish, layer some vanilla wafers at the bottom. This forms the crunchy base. Then, add a layer of those yummy banana slices. Make sure they're evenly spread out. Pour some of that creamy pudding mixture over the top. This is what binds everything together. Repeat the layers until you've used up all your ingredients. You should end with a layer of pudding on top. And there you have it. Your delicious 5-ingredient banana pudding is ready to enjoy. You can chill it in the fridge for a few minutes if you like it extra cold, but honestly, it's hard to wait. The flavors meld together beautifully. If you have the patience, chilling it for about 30 minutes makes it even better. The wafers soften slightly, and the flavors intensify. I hope you loved this quick and easy recipe. It's perfect for any occasion and sure to impress your friends and family. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tasty treats. Your support means everything to me. Your support means everything to me. It keeps me going and allows me to create more delicious content for you. Until next time, happy cooking and enjoy your banana pudding. Bye-bye. Remember, cooking is all about having fun and sharing love through food.